Hi everyone, this is Katarina for the Wow Embossing YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make this really cute DL size card featuring some butterfly die cuts and also one of our 4 brand new embossing powders just released last month, inspired by Brennan Keane. The powder I'm going to use today is the Speckled Sky, but in the new release we also had Bluebell Mist, Wisteria Wonder, and Buttercup Blossom. All of these have been featured on the Wow Embossing Powder YouTube channel, Instagram, and other social media outlets. I will leave a link to those in the description box below. Make sure you go and check those out for some inspiration from all the design team members and guest designers as well. The dies I used today are from the Delightful Butterfly set by Chloe's Creative Cards. I've die cut 3 butterflies from white card and dipped them into my embossing ink pad. Then I am sprinkling the Speckled Sky embossing powder on all 3 of these. You will see how those 2 butterflies are exactly the same, but they will look slightly differently, and that's what I love about these embossing powders that have mixed elements in them, that no 2 results will ever be the same, because obviously the powder and its elements will distribute just differently on every single project. So heating from underneath first to make sure I don't blow all those particles away. You can see a little bit of a bubbling in there, but when I come from up above and here, it smoothes out perfectly. And just look at that result. How pretty is that butterfly? I'm in love with this powder. Honestly, just so stunning. Those ultra high white speckles in there, just beautiful. So these are the other 2 butterflies. I'm going to repeat exactly the same process. Heat from underneath first and then a little bit of a blow from up above. And the 3rd one as well. And then just like that, by the magic of heat embossing, I have 3 gorgeous butterflies prepared to go on my card. For the card base, I've cut a 7 by 7 inch white card and I folded it in half to create a 3.5 by 7 inch card base. Then I have a piece of card just 1/4 of an inch smaller, measuring 3.25 by 6.75 of an inches, and I'm just inking up the 4 edges of this card with Clyde 9 Sweet Violet ink, which is such a gorgeous purple color. And I'm going to glue this straight onto the card base. I only added the ink onto the edges because that's all that we will see from this piece. My next card is also a white one, measuring 3 by 6.5 inches, embossed with the butterfly background embossing folder. And I also want to add a little bit of this same purple along the edges, but this time I'm using this large blending brush from Amazon, which allows me to add a very light layer just all around those 4 edges. You can see that I'm picking up the ink from my mat. I'm not dipping it back into the ink pad. I just want this to be nice and light, and it turns out so pretty. I don't even know if it shows much on the camera in here, but it's so really so pretty. So I'm just using my liquid glue again just to glue this on top of my purple layer in there. And then this will be my card base, and I will be adding my butterflies just on the front in there. The larger butterflies I will be gluing on the middle and the 2 smaller ones on either side of that. I only add some glue just along the body of the butterflies, and I will be lifting those wings up, so it will create some lovely dimension for me. Because there's no foam pads, this could be flat mailed still, but when it pops out of the envelope, those butterfly wings will just lift up slightly to create that gorgeous movement on the card. So I have glued all 3 butterflies down there, and then I'm going to add some purple rhinestones in the middle of each of those. So I'm going to use 2 different sizes of the rhinestones, of those purple ones, and I'm just going to add 3 down the middle of each butterfly. And for my sentiment, I'm going to use the stamp from the same Delightful Butterflies set from Chloe's Creative Cards as I took the dies out of. This sentiment says, just flying by to say hello. I'm going to stamp this using the Tranquil Waters Clyde 9 ink pad by Lisa Horton's Crafts, and this color is absolutely the perfect match to the color of my butterflies. I was so happy when I realized that. and I've stamped it twice there, and then I'm going to heat set this using clear gloss embossing powder just to give it that raised detail, and I love adding heat embossed details to my sentiments. So I'm heat setting it in here, and then I will just bring in my guillotine to trim this down to size. I am trimming this quite close to the writing because I don't want this sentiment to be too big. I want it to be nice and visible on my card, but I don't want this to overtake from the butterflies. I pop the sentiment on foam pads, and then I reinforce it with a little bit of liquid glue before sticking it underneath those butterflies. And this finishes my card off. I love how this turned out. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read your thoughts on this. But as I promised just earlier on in this video, I will show you a slightly different version of this card. So instead of the purples, I used pinks for this one. I did not emboss the background card in there. I left it plain white, and instead of having a sentiment strip to add to it, I stamped it straight onto the background. So this is a little cleaner version of the card that we just made today. I do think I prefer it with the embossed background, but I'd love to know what you think. Make sure you leave me the comment in the comment section below. If you do decide to shop on the Wow Embossing website, whether the UK or the US site, don't forget to use my code, which you can see on the screen now, WowDT Katarina, which will get you 10% off your purchase. It is an affiliate code, so I would get a little bit of a kickback from it, but at no extra cost to you. Make sure to subscribe to the Wow Embossing YouTube channel, where other design team members will also be coming in and sharing some wonderful makes and some really beautiful inspiration with you all. All the other social media outlets will be linked in the description box below, where you can also find lots and lots of inspiration using our beautiful powders. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon. Until then, bye!